If your YouTube shorts or your videos are stuck at 0 to 100 views, it is not because YouTube hates your channel, it is because your swipe away percentage is killing your reach. Let me teach you how to fix this right now on your mobile phone. Step 1.
Now, to know if people are flop away your short or people are scroll away your video, go to your YouTube studio and look for your short video or your video that has maybe that stuck at maybe 0 views. Then scroll down and click on analytics, that is video performance. Once you click your video performance, then look at this graph. Viewed use swap away. If your view percentage is below 60%, people are swiping away in the first 2 seconds before giving your video a chance. So if you check your video like this and your viewers is under 60%, that means people are scrolling your video in the 3 seconds or in the 2 seconds of your first video. So this is number one. This is step 1. If your videos are stuck at 0 to 100 views, so you should know this in mind and know how to change and know how to make your video when recording your video.
Step 2. To fix this, you need to change your hook. Never you start your video saying, "Hello guys, welcome to my channel," or "Let me show you how to do." Start directly in the middle of the action or ask an urgent question in 3 seconds. Step 3. Make sure your channel keywords are set correctly.
So to check if your channel keywords are set correctly with your video or your niche, click on your Chrome browser if you have your Chrome browser on your phone. So once you click on your Chrome browser, you click at the top for searching bar at the searching button. Click there and search for youtubestudio.com or YouTube dashboard. Once you search for it, then it will come outside. Once it come outside, click at the 3 dots at the top. Click at the 3 dots at the top so you can see the YouTube studio. Now click at the 3 dots at the top so you can put it in desktop mode. And if you are using laptop to do this, don't worry, you are free to do this. But on Android users, click that 3 dot to put it on desktop mode. After you click it on desktop mode, you zoom it with your finger, then long press the first one, then click on open in new tab. So you click on open in new tab, it will add to new tab at the top. Your own might be at the down. So you can see now, after you click in new tab, then you click at YouTube studio, you will see the studio app. You continue with it. So now I've clicked the YouTube studio app. So once you come to your interface like this, so you can see my channel now. This is my channel. Now this is where you will check if your channel keyword is set correctly with your niche. So you zoom your interface with your fingers. So after you zoom it at the down left, at the down, you will see setting. Once you zoom your interface, your channel interface like this, so you can see my channel interface. Once you zoom it, you can see setting under it. Once you click your setting, now after you click on setting, you can see under that setting you will see channel. Click on channels. After clicking on channel, it will bring you to this interface. You will see Nigeria, and under it you will see keyword. Make sure you put your country. So you see I am from Nigeria, I put Nigeria. So under Nigeria you see your keyword. Under it, click on keyword to put your keyword, to put your channel keyword. So now I am going to put my keyword, and my channel keyword is about YouTube automation, how to build your YouTube and free AI app. So you can see now I've added my keyword. If your own is AI story, you put AI story, African photos. If your own is comedian, you put all those things. You know your niche. So after that, you click on save at the down. After putting your niche, your keyword niche, at the downside, you will see save. So you can see my keyword. I've added my keyword about YouTube automation. Then after that, you click on advanced setting, you put it. I want to review this setting for every video, so you can see everything in my interface. So after you check all these things, then you scroll up to check what you need to check again. So you can see there is nothing to check. There's nothing to set. I'm just checking it. So after you check everything, if there's what you need to do, then you click at the down to save. Remember, it's under general. After is on is channel, after setting general, then under general channel. So you can see my keywords now: Google Gemini AI video, faceless YouTube, YouTube COE, free AI app, AI story. This is all what my channel is all about. I mean my niche. So this is what my keywords are. So this is what I'm teaching about. So you can see all my keywords now. So after you add your keyword, your channel keyword or your niche, then you click on save. You can see save at the down. You click on save. So your channel keyword is save.
If this help you, subscribe right now. I am on a 6-month journey to monetize this my channel, and I am dropping daily tips to help you grow your channel with me. See you in my next video.